right, welcome back. In this video, we're going to build out project number 11, which is Adobe Photoshop 2022 Ultimate Guide promo video. And what we're going to do is add visual effects such as animation, motion graphics to this project to make it even more engaging and more interactive for the student. Okay, so we need to go to learntechprojectfiles.com and we'll go there right now, and then we'll select Adobe After Effects 2022 projects. And inside of here, we're going to go to project number 11, which is Adobe Photoshop 2022 Ultimate Guide. So I'm going to open that up. We're going to download the file. And while that's downloading, I'm going to get the project file set up. So let's click on New Project. Let's go to File, Save As. Okay. And we're going to go to Projects. And we're going to use the same file format, folder format that we've been using. And it's going to be number 11, project number 11, dash Adobe Photoshop 2022 Ultimate Guide. I'll create that. I'm going to right click on it and it will select it. I'm going to hit Command C on the Mac, Control C on the PC, and then I'm going to paste this as the document title. Okay. We'll hit save. We'll go back to Firefox, grab our files. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to bring this over to Documents. And then we're going to bring this into Projects and project number 11. I'm going to double click on it to uncompress the file. And then we're going to check out the file. So we have Introduction, Benefits, What You Will Learn, Students, Requirements, Thank You, and then the promo video itself. So now what I want to do is go to After Effects, right click in the project panel, import a file. We're going to go to project number 11 folder, and grab all the files that we need for the project. I'm going to hit open. We're going to bring the promo video to the timeline. Then we're going to mark this out. So I'm going to scrub through with no audio. We're going to scrub through and kind of look at what I did for this promo video. Okay. So you can see we're talking about Creative Cloud, then we're talking about Photoshop, then we're showing the project that you're going to be working on throughout the entire course, and then we have the thumbnail and my logo at the end. Okay, so where can we put a solid graphic or background, and where can we put a lower third, right? So with these, we want to put a lower third. So for the introduction, we want to have a lower third. But we're going to bypass introduction because this is an introduction. Okay. So we're going to do benefits. Then we're going to do what you'll learn. Okay. Then we'll do students here. So we can put a lower third here. Okay. Then we'll do requirements and thank you right before the thumbnail. Okay. So a different way to look at it. And we're going to lay this out. And this is going to be the last project where I lay it out and not do anything with adding motion to the graphics. Okay. I did this because I want you to practice creating and animating the graphics that I give you. Okay. But in the next 3 projects, I'm going to be walking you through step by step how to do everything. Okay. So if you got lost, if you had problems, that's fine, because now we're going to have a solution to those problems with the next 3 projects. So I'm going to lay this out and then we're going to jump into the next project. Okay. But I want you to spend time on the assignment building out this project and adding animation to it. And remember, this is all about practice. Okay. So we're going to go to 10 seconds. And I got to make sure that I didn't stop the video. Hold on. I forgot I'm not allowed to type in over here. It's an old habit that I have when I'm using After Effects. So I have to make sure that I don't do that. So we're going to scrub. I'm going to scrub to 10 seconds. And then I'm going to bring in benefits. Okay. Put it right there. And actually, I kind of like it there. So we're going to have it sit there. And I'm just going to leave it there like that, and then we're going to go to the end of it, and then we'll bring in students. And for this one, I'm going to position it somewhere else. So instead of putting it in the same spot, we're going to put it somewhere else. So I will do that and do this, and we'll make it the same length. And for this one, we're going to have it up here. Okay, so students are up there, and then we'll scrub through, and then we'll do requirements. And that's going to be right here. And I'm going to put that down here. Okay, and then we'll do it this way. So we got that. And then we'll do thank you. And for this one, let's go all the way to the end where we have the thumbnail pop up. Okay, and we'll just put it right here. And what I'll do is I'll put it down here. Okay, and then what I want you to do is focus on the animation. So animate each graphic. Okay, so we have benefits here, we have students there, and then requirements here, and then thank you here. So your job for this project is to be the motion part. Instead of the graphic part, you're just going to do the motion graphics. Okay? So, you're all set up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.